Yo, so we're going to make an analysis. I was too busy trying to figure out how to do a good thumbnail for this stream. So that's why you see that I was kind of late, not too late, because normally we usually I wake up by 6, right? And whenever I wake up earlier, but I usually start anything concerning this stream by 6. Then from 6 to 6:30, I usually make my thumbnail. I usually dedicate that time to make my thumbnail. So while making my thumbnail, I was still trying to figure out if it was good enough, and the whole, is it standard, is it up to standard, and all of that. So that was one of the major reasons why, as you can see, the stream is starting very not too late though. It's not that late before everybody will come and chat me and be like, "You came late today. We were waiting for you." Now it's not that late because market London session starts by obviously starts by then eight. So yeah, so I'm not that late for anybody to attack me. I know you very well to attack me or attack me. So um, the analysis we made last the three analysis, all of them did not go through what I was saying. This one now was just consolidating all over here. So I made a new analysis for it that if it breaks this line, so this was supposed to be a break and this was supposed to be a retest. And after this retest, it was supposed to be a bullish, then a candle above it, and we didn't see all of that. So okay, wait, let me show you what I'm talking about. Wait, oh goodness, wait, let me let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Reset, eh? So, oh goodness, okay. This is what we were looking for. So after it breaks below here, then we were expecting a bullish candle to the, oh goodness, a bullish candle to break here, then a candle to open and close above here. Once we see those two things, wait. So we're expecting a bullish candle to break here, to break and close above here. Then another bullish candle to, okay, hope it's not too, okay. Sorry, I'm just trying to adjust it. So this is also the time that you're expecting. But no, this one is too long. Wait, let me know if I can bring it down a little. Okay. Then this one, let me know if I can bring it down to. Okay, yeah. This is what we're expecting. A candle to break this line, another candle to open and close here. Once this candle closes, we place our trade. That's what we're expecting. So yeah. But we didn't see that. Oh goodness. Yeah. We actually didn't see that. It was just consolidating all over. This was the previous line. If you remember, this was the previous line. But when we saw the consolidation, when I said, let us cage the consolidation at the top and at the bottom. So now when we caged it, it broke here. So now, since the thing broke all the way down here, once it breaks below the stop loss, it is neglected. It is this breaking and retesting is null and void. But once it hovers between the entry and the stop loss, that means it is still considered valid, no matter how much it plays around inside there. So yeah, for the Euro GBP did the same thing. I think GBP I'm not even sure if it. I'm not sure it even got to the same. I'm not sure GBP wait, why is GBP not showing any object? Euro NZD, okay. Let's see. GBP is supposed to show object now. So as you can see the line we drew before, supposed to break to the test and all of blah blah blah, but it broke to the test. Once it crossed the stop loss, the thing was neglected and all of that. Still the same English. So even the same thing with Euro NZD, the same thing. It came to the wait. Oh, so it came all the way to the entry. You rejected the entry completely and went back off. No, I think this entry was what we were using. Sorry, this entry was our entry from beginning. So it rejected the entry and is not even thinking of coming back down. So yeah, that's the whole analysis for the market. So let's clean our charts, obviously. Let's clean our charts. Let's clean our workspace. You can just work on a dirty environment or a clustered environment. So let's clean the chart. Let's clean out the chart, clean out the chart, clean out the chart, clean out the chart. Okay. But to be honest, this week is. Do you know it is Do you know that some people will be like, "We're not placing any trade this week. Are we not wasting time?" You know what I'm saying? You are not wasting time. That's the amazing thing. You're actually not wasting time. Do you know why you're not wasting time? Because if it is better, how do I put it now? It is better that you are not placing trade than for you to be placing trade and they are losing. I don't know if you are getting. I don't know if you are getting my point. It is better that you are not placing trade than for you to place trade and they are losing trade. So I don't care what anybody wants to say. I'm happy. This week is a very good week. As far as it is not giving us an entry, we have no interest in placing the trade. It's that simple. We have no interest in placing the trade. So let's open the gates and make our analysis. Let's look for trend. Uh, this is still bullish trend. Still bearish trend. Wow. And then it's still trending. And this one is trying to do change of structure. Euro and Zend. It broke here, so it said, wait, I think all of them are change of structure. If I'm not mistaken. It broke here. Oh goodness. It broke here, so it's change of structure. This one too. Okay, it broke here, but it did not break here. Not that much of a change of structure. I think GBP and ZND is okay. Euro and ZND change of structure. No doubt about that. AUD and ZND change of structure. No doubt about that. And ZND JPY. It did not change structure again because still bullish came down. It's still oh no, this whole thing is a change of structure. I should not see all those things behind it. But I don't know why. JPY is just consolidating all over the place. So we're just going to chill. We're just going to relax and stay away from the danger zone. USJPY is still change of structure, consolidating, blah blah blah. It's not a clean trend. I'm looking for a clean trend. This one change of structure. Nope, don't trade change of structure. CHRJPY, load up and change of structure. Change of structure. Not interested. Euro JPY, change of structure. Card JPY, I'm guessing. Let me guess. Change of structure. Let's see. Hey, I thought that would be perfect timing, but it did not load up early. So yeah, change of structure. I said it. USD card. I don't think I've seen taking notice of USD card in a while. USD card. USD CHF. USD CHF. USD CHF. USD CHF. USD CHF. Change of structure. Euro USD. Euro USD. Change of structure. Change of structure. Change of structure. AUD USD. That consolidation was what scared. Instant consolidation from when it was doing. Nah, I ain't doing that. USD. Change of structure. AUD card. AUD card. AUD card. It's trending, but much cluster. I'm not like clean trend. GB card. GBP card. Cluster is too much. Card CHF. Change of structure. Not interested in a change of structure. Euro AUD. Change of structure. Not interested. It's even clustered. I don't even know what to describe that. That was just a mess. This is too much. Nah, when playing with all this. Well, bullish. This is this is this is bullish. And will you call this a consolidation? That's what's going on. Let's move it up. No, you deserve going up. Euro GBP and GBCHF. Let's GBCHF. Don't worry, we'll look at it in higher time frame. Don't worry. Okay, Euro GBP and GBC. Oh goodness, leave it there. Euro GBP moves up. GBCHF moves up. Then now let's look at all of them on it. Let's see which one is better out of these three. GBCHF, GBP and ZND. GBP and ZND is stronger. Let me move this one up. You don't have respect. You see your senior man, you're busy making noise. Okay. And Euro GBP. Now let's look at it at a higher time frame. Let's see what it says. What is it saying? Because it's not a clean trend, or You change of structure. I don't trade change of structures. Nah, David, you change of structure. Let me just back away from the devices. This one, change of structure. No. So it's very obvious. All analysis for today is saying, get out, get out, get out. It's like saying, leave the place. I'm not interested in a trade this today. So I'll stay away. So we'll back away from this matter. So yeah, we couldn't find a trend to pick on. So stay tuned, please. Don't forget to subscribe. It matters a lot to me. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. And with 5 subscribe,